Hello, we are doing the camera glass replacement on the Samsung S10 Plus. To remove the broken glass, you need to use a sharp blade to go under the camera glass. By removing the camera glass this way will help you do this repair faster. We need to use our heat gun, a heat source, to soften the glue so that we can remove the broken glass easily. So one thing that you have to keep in mind is that if the glue is really strong and you're pulling the broken glass by hand, if you apply too much force, you will break your back cover. So while doing this camera glass replacement, make sure that you're not pulling too hard on the broken glass and tape. And this repair is as simple as I am doing it. You need to be very careful while inserting your tool between the cameras and the broken glass. The tip of the cameras are a little bit down and you have enough space to insert your tool in order to remove all the broken pieces of glass. Another small issue while doing this is removing the broken glass near the flashlight. The flashlight is at a higher point than the cameras, so you need to insert your tool around the flashlight. Do not go directly toward the flashlight. Every time you have exposed enough glass attached to a piece of tape, you can use your fingers to remove them. It will go faster. For the cleaning, you have to use your tools, tweezers, or any other metal tool that you can use to remove the piece of tape that are still in the camera bezel. And also we have some particle of glass that we need to remove. My special method to remove the particle of glass is to use a piece of duct tape that I expose the sticking part out and use that sticking part to catch all the small particle of glass. This technique will remove everything that is dust or particle of glass on your device. Do not use a brush because you risk to damage your cameras. So the cleaning is done. We need to test the cameras before we install the camera glass. We need to do that to check if the cameras are ready and working so that we can start our sealing process of the camera glass. This is the piece of glass that I'm going to use. So it has a double-sided tape on the back. If you enjoy this repair content, subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and share our content to your friends and families. Remove the double-sided tape and we are ready to attach the new camera glass. You have to align the camera glass with the frame it has to sit in and start to apply a little bit of pressure around so that it sits nicely and without any bump or any misalignment. Once you're sure that it has seated in the camera frame, use a rag or a microfiber cloth to clean everything. Apply a little bit of pressure while cleaning. That will help the tape stick firmly onto the back of the back cover. So here you have it. We have replaced the camera glass on the Samsung S10 Plus.